Hi everyone. In this tutorial I want to show you how easy it is to use this 3D printed press to make some cool monoprints. We show this technique at print fairs all the time because it literally takes 30 seconds to get a unique and very intricate print that people can do themselves and take home. It always starts with collecting some materials that could look cool when inked up. I like using leaves, packaging net or aluminium foil. Let's pick the leaf for now. Lay it down on a glass surface or other surface where you can roll out ink. This is Cranfield Safe Wash etching ink. You don't necessarily need etching ink for this. Any block printing ink or relief ink would be totally fine as well. Grab a roller and spread out some of the ink. Then place your leaf on top of it and roll over it a couple of times. For leaves it's best if you don't cover them in ink entirely. This should be fine. Next, cut some paper to size for the press. This can basically be any kind. I like using some thicker high quality paper like watercolor paper because it will also pick up some embossing and has a nicer texture. Put it on the press bed and put the leaf on top. The orientation doesn't matter because we'll put another piece of the same paper on top now. That way you'll get two mirrored prints and protect the press bed from ink at the same time. Put the blanket back over it and now it's time to roll it through the press. You should feel a good amount of resistance when rolling it through, that way you get a nice and even print. Oftentimes it's useful to grab the blanket from the other side to keep the paper from slipping. After that you can lift the paper, peel off the leaf and check out your two prints. Okay, let's make one more print, but this time use the net and aluminium foil in combination. I'd suggest inking them up separately and arranging them on the press bed later. The procedure is the same, so ink up the net and foil, put a piece of paper on the press bed, add your materials, put another piece of paper on top and roll it through. Because this is so quick, you can just make another print if you're not happy with the result. And finally, here are 3 more examples of monoprints that people submitted to our print exchange to give you some ideas of what you can do. Thanks for watching.